that all my crap in soon so we can have a brighter day. And you know what? There's sunshine peeking out, so maybe brighter days are coming, right? Condensation levels in the van, 90. It's not, humidity is 90, and see, it's maxed out. What does that warning say? It says wet. But at least it's 12 degrees. Well, it's kind of drizzling, but it's not raining. Yesterday was perfect. It was very sunny, but I didn't get much outside time. And today is turning out slightly better. So slowly but surely, we're supposed to transition into a nice week, thankfully. Can dry out my van. And I can clean out my van too. That's what I gotta do. So check this guy's yard out. How about that for a yard showpiece? That's pretty crazy. Oh my god, that's too funny. Being a car guy, I like it. Me being an older hot rodder at heart, I would probably go with an old 50s, 60s car. Not 70s, that was too ugly. Hey, he's missing a headlight. But pretty cool and pretty neat indeed. After 3 days of rain, the sun is almost trying to peek out here. Hopefully we do get some sunshine. But yeah. Maybe I'm not looking as much for sunshine as just for the rain to stop so I can get out and about and stretch my legs for a little bit rather than being cooped up in the van. Okay, I feel better, showered up at the local community center, and this red van, this has to be, I don't know if you can see it, too dark, has to be the most inconspicuous van dwelling vehicle around. Hold on. Yeah, the lights are not coming in proper, but it has no telltale signs of anybody living in it other than a black curtain, and I can see what looks like a kitchen countertop. So it's just all red, no windows, plain Jane, very stealthy. Okay, when I got here there was a red van parked beside me. Now there's a white Dodge camper van beside me. This is like camper van community center. Oh my god. Okay, that light is very blinding. I'm trying to squint my eyes to see, but I'm trying to light up this place so you can see what I'm doing. I had somebody ask me they'd like to see what I do for cooking, so I'm gonna do a briefly what I got going on this time. So this is my mess when you got small room. So what I'm gonna do is I'm making a salsa sauce. I got canned tomatoes I used a bit of onion and a batch of cilantro, and I'm just gonna simmer that up for a little bit, and I'm gonna use that as a sauce for wraps and for chips. I don't have a lot this time because I'm almost out of tomatoes, and I'm also making spaghetti. Gonna make up a spinach spaghetti sauce with this. So let me come back. I gotta get rid of this light. It's way too bright. I should be using, whoops, that guy. Okay, I turned my little IKEA light on, and I can easily show you what we got going on here. So, yeah, the salsa sauce is boiled down a little bit, and we're gonna add, after it cools off and I take it to work, I mash up an avocado, and I will add that to it. Sometimes I will boil some black beans or something up, mash the beans up, and also add that but maybe at work I'll show you what it looks like. Spinach. I buy a bag of spinach for 99 cents. I get multiple time uses out of it. It's probably a good 6 meals out of it. And what I'm going to do is chop this up and make a spaghetti sauce. Oh yeah, a bag of avocados was 5 avocados for $4. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay, I never know what kind of tomato sauce I'm gonna usually make. So this time, with what ingredients I have, I've sauteed the spinach for about 4 minutes in some canola oil, because that's all I got. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this sauce This was 97 cents a can. And this was 88 cents a can of tomatoes. I got a little leftover spinach and cilantro in my spoon, so that's what we got. So we're going to mix that together and see what happens. And this is what we got, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages. So yeah, we're just going to make a little sauce, add it to my noodles. Where is it? There's my noodles. And yeah, that is lunch. And yes, I do have my vent open. And there we go. Voila. Dinner is done. It's ready for work tonight. And I'm gonna use these, I think, tonight also. I tried to make wraps out of them, but they weren't working too good. So we're gonna put them in the oven at work, and we'll use that with my nacho sauce. We'll crisp these up. And so, yeah, that's where we're at. Okay, how about a shaky daytime video of the same red van that you seen in my dark video. And I know it's a van dweller because when I was walking by I heard clanking and banging. But anyways, it's very stealthy, and it does have a water outlet on the side. So, where did I do all my cooking? Right here on the street in front of this apartment block. First time I stayed here. It's actually a decent quiet spot. It's flat. A little bit of traffic from a main street. But you know what? I sleep in the day, so probably most people are at work. So I might come back here once in a while. So anyways, time to scat to work, I think. And stop chatting. So, yeah. Cheers, y'all. Stay awesome.